So welcome back to this new video. Today I am going to show you how you can install Code Blocks IDE for programming in C and C++ for coding purpose. So it is very easy to install. You just need to check first whether you have a 32-bit PC or a 64-bit PC. It will depend upon the version of the operating system. So right click on the My Computer icon or this computer or this PC icon, whatever you have. Right click on that and go to Properties. In the properties, that may look differently from this one because this is the latest one of Windows 10. If you have Windows 7 also, it will be similar. You can find here system type. This is 32-bit operating system. You can find it here. Okay, 32-bit operating system, 64-bit based processor. So you need to see whether it is your Windows version is 32-bit or 64-bit. So once you have checked this, go to the Code Blocks website by searching on Google Code Blocks, CODEBLOCKS. Go to this first link, then click on Downloads. Click on Download the binary release, and from here you need to select your version. That is, if you have 32-bit, you select this file, codeblocks 20.03 mingw 32-bit setup.exe, or if you have 64-bit, you select this one. Okay, with the mingw setup.exe, but that is written on it, whether it is 64-bit for this one and or for 32-bit for this one. So my PC is of 32-bit, so let's click on any of the link here. Let's click on FOSS Hub, and it will automatically start the download. So I have already started the download here. To cancel it. So once it has been downloaded, then we will see the setup process. So the download has been completed. So just click on this arrow and click on open. Minimize your browser, then click next. I agree, and let it be the default selection. Don't do anything here. Click next, install, and let it install. So here you can see the icon is placed on your desktop, and also in start menu also you will find Code Blocks folder. So once it has finished installation, you can click on yes if you want to run the Code Blocks now itself, or you can click no if you want to run it sometime later. So let's click yes, click next, and finish. So after it has started, it will ask for detecting the C compiler. So it will be detected automatically. GNU CC compiler detected. You just click on it and click on set as default and click OK. Then leave this everything as it is and click OK. And now you can do all the code here. So for example, if you want to write a C++ code, go to create new project, go to console application, click go, next. C++ is selected. If you want to write a C code, then you have to select like this, then C++ next, and then project, you have to give some project. Select the folder where you want to save this project file. I will prefer that you save it in a safe place so that you can find it later. For example, let's make a folder here. Select this folder, click next, finish. Click on this sources on this left pane and double click on this my main.cpp, or right click on this main.cpp and click open main.cpp. Both of them will open this file in this editor pane. If you want to increase the size of the font, go to settings, editor, from this first selection, see the font, click choose, and you can increase the size, and also you can change the font wherever you like. So it will be automatically applied. Now, after writing the code, you can click on this build icon here, or you can go to this menu and click on build icon, or alternatively you can press Ctrl F9, the shortcut key, to build this file, that means compile this file. And if there is no error, it will be shown here, zero error, zero warning. So it is compiled now, and then you can run the file using this play button, or you can go to build and click on run, or also you can press Ctrl F10 for as a shortcut key. So let's click on this run button and see our first code, that is hello world, that is printed. Now you can click on any key on your keyboard to close this window. So this is how you can write codes in C code blocks using C or C++ codes, and you can compile and run your programs here. So thank you for watching this video.